Blessings and welcome back to WeSo Health Tips, where we explore the healing power of plants, traditions, and the wisdom passed down through generations. Today, we're spotlighting a humble herb with a mighty reputation, Vervine. Whether you know it as blue vervain, nervine, or blue porterweed, this plant has been quietly supporting our health and spirit for centuries. Let's start with the basics. In Jamaica, vervine usually refers to Stachytarphida jamaicensis. It's a low-growing woody herb from the Verbenaceae family, native to the Caribbean. You'll often see it creeping along roadsides, sandy soils, or tucked into the corners of your granny's garden. Its flowers bloom in lilac, lavender, or soft blue, but here's the magic. Only a few open at a time, and each one lasts just a day. It's a fleeting beauty, but its benefits are long-lasting. Now, let's talk tradition. Vervine isn't just a plant. It's a part of our cultural identity. In Jamaican bush medicine, it's used in bush baths for spiritual and physical cleansing. Whether you're shaking off bad vibes or recovering from illness, vervine is part of the ritual. Cleaning the blood, a common belief that vervine purifies the body, especially after eating heavy or processed foods. Evening tea, brewed to calm the nerves, ease anxiety, and help you drift into restful sleep. Women's wellness, historically used during menstruation to soothe cramps and restore balance. Growing up, many of us were handed a cup of vervine tea without question. It was just what you did, and now, science is catching up. Modern studies are beginning to validate what our ancestors knew intuitively. Vervine contains compounds like verbenolin, which may help protect brain cells and support stroke recovery. It's also known for digestive relief, easing bloating, indigestion, and cramps. Respiratory support, helpful for coughs, colds, and bronchitis. Anti-anxiety and antispasmodic effects, making it a true nerve tonic in folk medicine. But vervine's story doesn't stop in Jamaica. Let's take a quick journey across cultures. Here, vervine is brewed into bush tea, used in baths, and passed down through oral tradition. It's part of our healing language. In European herbalism, vervain was sacred to the Druids and Romans. Called the herb of the cross, it was used in rituals, infusions for fevers and migraines, and even poultices for wounds. Aztec and Native American traditions. Used as a diuretic and circulatory aid, and chewed or brewed for headaches and insomnia. Egyptians believed vervain sprang from the tears of Isis mourning Osiris. It was used in incense and amulets for protection and spiritual clarity. Today, you'll find vervine in herbal supplements, essential oils, and homeopathic remedies. It's sold in capsules, tinctures, and teas, proving that ancient wisdom still holds value in modern healing. Vervine is more than a remedy, it's a symbol of resilience. It grows in tough places, blooms quietly, and heals deeply. In a world full of noise and quick fixes, vervine reminds us to slow down, reconnect with nature, and honor the traditions that shaped us. Whether you're sipping it as tea, soaking in a bush bath, or simply learning about its history, you're participating in a legacy. If this episode inspired you, don't keep it to yourself. Like this video to show love for Jamaican bush medicine. Share it with someone who needs a little herbal wisdom. And subscribe to WeSo Health Tips for more powerful remedies from the roots up. Until next time, stay grounded, stay curious, and stay well. One love.